Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to clear the RAM cache on Windows 10 or 11. If your computer is performing slow due to cached memory, I have a straightforward method to help you clear it and speed up your Windows operating system. Let's get started. Firstly, let's check out our current cache memory usage. To do this, simply right-click on the Windows icon and select Task Manager, or right-click on your taskbar and select Task Manager. Navigate to the Performance tab and select the Memory section from here. You will see the cached memory displayed here. In my case, it's around 9.5 gigabytes, which is quite a lot. Now, to clear this cache, we will be using a trusted Microsoft product called RAMMap. You will find the download link for the RAMMap in the description below. Don't worry, it's safe and doesn't take up much space. The size of this file is only 671 kilobytes. Click on Download RAMMap. Once downloaded, open the file location. It will be in a zip file. Simply right-click on it and select Extract All to unzip the file. Inside the extracted folder, look for the RAMMap application with a size of around 662 kilobytes. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. You will see a small window pop up. Now, to clear the cache, click on the Empty option at the top left and then select Empty Standby List. You will notice a significant drop in the cache memory. So, let me click on Empty Standby List. In my case, it went down from 9 gigabytes to just around 130 megabytes. I highly recommend keeping the RAMMap installed on your computer. Whenever you notice your cache memory getting high again, simply revisit this application, click on Empty, and select Empty Standby List to clear it out. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.